Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enable early keyboard backlight on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, shut down your computer entirely, then short press the power button once to turn it on. While your device is launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the dashboard on your screen. On the BIOS dashboard, first enable Advanced Setup by switching this toggle on. After that, go to Pre-boot Behavior, scroll to the very bottom of this menu, and enable Early Keyboard Backlight or disable it by switching the toggle off. Gone. To apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom and then click OK. To exit, either click Exit in the bottom right corner or press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.